What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it is the first day of harvest, so we're going to be filling on the road there, and we've got the combine right there. We just took off a little piece right behind me here. We got that done, not quite a truckload, and then we just did the end here, and then in 2 or 3 days we're going to be taking this 80 of the 160 behind me. Okay guys, we're filling on the road. This will be our first truck full. First full truck of the year. Okay, so we just put the combine in the shed here a few hours ago. The floor is still sitting here. We're waiting for the tube unload for the new bin. And we got a roof auger put up now. See you guys when we start doing some more soybeans. Okay guys, so it's Friday, and on Thursday, it's kind of hard to see, but they got quite a few acres done over there, about 40, and now he's coming with the combine. The neighbors are out right now. He's coming with the combine, and there's the truck. And I'm gonna ride with him for a little bit, get you guys some footage. Our neighbor actually has the same combine as us, so there's him combining, and there's us. A lot of dust. So there goes our international truck, which we just got last year, and our Ford is on the driveway right there, and I'm gonna hop in the combine. Guys, let's check for soybeans. So what we want is we don't want to see any soybeans on the ground here. And I'm raking through here. Looks like we have 1, maybe 2 soybeans, so that's pretty good. Yeah. Okay guys, we are in the John Deere 9500 combine, running a 25-foot head. The beans are doing pretty good. Hard to see. They're doing between 60 and 70 bushels an acre. And the grain tank here, there's a little auger that comes up, and then we have this nice window here that we can see the beans coming in. They're somewhat clean. Going pretty good out here. 2 mean green machines. Okay guys, here's an outside view of the combine. Going pretty good. Just dumping some soybeans. There, got another truck full. He's folding in the auger right now. We're gonna call it a night. The beans are a different maturity and they're a little tough. Soybeans. Driving off the scale, 25 empty. Just got home with the truck, gonna let it idle down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go home and get some supper. So I am back out here in the soybean field here. We got between 75 and 80 acres done. This took us about 2 days to do. And I'm gonna look at the ground again for some just soybeans. Again, we want no soybeans on the ground. And a little fun fact, in a square foot, if there's 13 soybeans on the ground, that means that you lost a bushel per acre on your yield. And in this, it's a little over a square foot. There are no soybeans except for down here in the corner. There's one little soybean there. So that's pretty good. Last reminder, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and we are set up for corn, so pretty much as soon as we get done with soybeans, we're going to be doing some corn. Bye guys.